Hello everyone, my name is Sham Shankar. In this video we are going to see about the single linked list. For that I am just importing java.util public class is equal to single linked. That means that I am giving the class name as single linked. Static class is equal to static class node int data node next node int x data is equal to x next is equal to null, then close bracket just giving because this is for this and this is for the above here. The node head, we are giving the node as head here, node head here. Then public static is equal to single link create int n single linked list. Scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot end. If list dot head not equal to null, system out print just ask that the list the linked list is already created, return list. Then int x system out enter the data for the node 0. It just says that node 1, node 2, node 3, it will just get the input from the user, so that is just giving here. It's a menu driven program and also it's a menu driven program. Node 0 x is equal to sc dot next int node new node is equal to new node x new node dot next is equal to null list dot head is equal to new node for int I is equal to 1 I less than n I plus plus node h is equal to list dot head while h dot next not equal to null h is equal to next h is equal to h dot next system out print the enter the data for the node I plus I plus x is equal to sc dot next int new node is equal to new node dot next is equal to null h dot next is equal to new node. Then it just shows that link list created. After that we are inserting a value so that we are using this, and this shows that link list is empty. Because if it is empty, then it will show head is equal to null. If the condition is head is equal to null, then it just shows that the link list is empty. Otherwise it will show an insert at a position. It will show like that. It will insert a position like that. It will show position is equal to 0. This is the position is equal to 0. Node new node is equal to new node node dot next is equal to list dot head is equal to new node system out print. It means that it shows the output like inserted at the position and then return list, else node h is equal to list dot head preview is equal to null int I is equal to 0 while h dot next not equal to null and pos not equal to I, position is not equal to I, preview h is equal to h dot next I plus plus. If h next is equal to null, it shows that the position out of the list. That means that when we give the node list as 2, then we print it as and we are getting another value like 3 we are giving like that. So if we give like that, it just shows that the position is out of the size list size. Then node new is equal to new node preview dot next is equal to new node new node dot next is equal to h system out is equal to inserted the position and it will show the position. Return list public static single link delete int x single linked. This is to delete an element from the list single link list. If the condition is true, this shows that if this condition is true, then it shows that the link is empty. Otherwise it will go here and delete an element. If the data is equal to x list head is equal to head not next system out print that the found and deleted. That means that it just shows, it just points and position of an element and it has deletes that element. While h is equal to not equal to null and h dot data not equal to x preview h dot next. If h is equal to size not equal to null preview dot next is equal to h dot next. It shows that found and deleted, otherwise not found in the list. This is to display this class is equal to display here, display the elements present in the list. If this is equal if this condition is true, it just shows that the link is empty. Otherwise, it shows that the linked list like that it shows and shows the element which are present in the list. To search an element in that linked list. If this condition satisfies, it just shows that the link is empty. Otherwise, it shows that the position is found. If it is not found at the position, it shows that not found in that linked list. And here we are giving a menu driven program. N1 is to create a linked list, and N2 is to insert node, delete node, display linked list, and search node, and 6 is to exit. I'm just giving the conditions here, and we just run the program. Just shows that enter your choice. I'm just giving it as 1 because I'm just creating a linked list. Enter the number of nodes. I'm just giving the nodes as 2. Enter the data for the node 0. Initial position is 0. So it's just showing that node is 0. Node 0. I'm just giving it as data for node 0 is 50 and node 1 is 60. Just shows this link is created. I'm just going to display the created link. Enter a choice 3. 3 means delete node. It's just deleting a node. Enter the data of the node. Data of the node is 50. Just shows 50 is found and deleted. Now we can just display whatever the elements present here. It just shows 60 is present because we are giving 60 over there at the first. The first we give 60 here. So 50 is deleted and then 60 is present. 60 is present. Now we can insert a node again. Insert a node. It just shows that enter the position of the node. I'm just giving the position as 1. Enter the data of the node. Data of the node is 90. Now the position is out of the list of the size. Now we can just display the list. Just shows the linked list is 60. Now we can just exit. See you later. Okay guys, now let's go for the next program, rectangle. This program is to identify it's a matched rectangle or unmatched rectangle. I'm just giving this import. I'm just importing java.util public class rectangle public static void main string args rectangle1 or that means r1 is equal to new rectangle rectangles r2 new rectangles because we are getting the new two rectangles by comparing the two rectangles length breadth then color of the rectangle we are going to find that is a matched rectangle or unmatching rectangle non-matching rectangle. Scan is equal to new scanner system.in system.out.print. This is just getting the input from the user. Enter the length of the rectangle, then it will enter the rectangle, and then width of the rectangle 1, then color of the rectangle 1, then enter the length of the rectangle 2, width of the rectangle 2, color of the rectangle 2, then it just scans and just check it's matching or non-matching. If this condition is true, it just poses a matching rectangle. Otherwise, it just comes for non-matching rectangle. Now we can just run the code. Just shows that enter the length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle I'm just giving as 60. Then width is 90. Then color is red. Then it's asked for the length of the rectangle 2. Rectangle 2 is 50. Then 80. Then green. Just shows that it's a non-matching rectangle. Why? Because the length of the rectangle 1 I'm just giving it as 60 and then the length of the rectangle 2 I'm giving it as 50. The width of the rectangle 1 is 90 and 80. Rectangle 2 is 80. Then color of the rectangle 1 is red and color of the rectangle 2 is green. So it doesn't match anything. So it just shows that it's a non-matching rectangle. When we give, we can just run it again and just we can now just we can give rectangle 1 and rectangle 2 are exact same. Now let's see what's the output here. Length of the rectangle is 60, then width of the rectangle is 80, then color is green, Then length of the rectangle is 60, breadth of the rectangle, width of the rectangle is 80, then color is green. This is because to find just this is a matching rectangle. However, it's a matching rectangle. So so we are going to see it's a matching rectangle or not. See, it just shows it's a matching rectangle because every length, width, and color of the rectangle 1 and 2 are same. So it just shows that's matching rectangles. Thank you guys.